All right, simplifying rational expressions. Look at number one. These are monomials. Notice we can divide the 6 into the 24. It goes 4 times. Variables, we subtract the exponents. And we get 4x squared. That's all I can do. Number two, we want to factor the binomial. Notice we can factor out a 3. And we're left with this. Now, look at the 3 and look at the 27. We can divide both of those by 3. What happens is the 3 goes away in the top, and the bottom 27 divided by 3 is 9. Look at number 3. We can factor the numerator. We can factor out a 5. Now, once we factor out the 5, we get x minus 6. I mean, y minus 6. Sorry, hold on. And we've got a y minus 6 in the bottom. Now, when we're simplifying rationals, if there's a binomial in the top and a binomial in the bottom that's exactly the same, we cross those out. What's left is the final answer. Look at number 4. We can't do anything with the top, but we can do something with the bottom. It is a difference of 2 squares. If there is a binomial that's the same in the top and the bottom, you can cross those out. So I can get rid of the y plus 5 in the top, y plus 5 in the bottom. I've still got something in the bottom. It's got to stay there. Since we canceled out what's in the numerator, we have to put a 1. That's the final answer. So we're factoring and crossing things out. Factoring and crossing things out. Number 5, they're both trinomials. Luckily, they're easy trinomials. Hopefully, they're easy. All right, the top one, factors of 10 that add up to be 7 are 5 and 2. Bottom, the factors of 25 that add up to be 10 are 5 and 5. Now, notice in the top, there's a y plus 5, and in the bottom, there's a y plus 5. You cross those out, what you're left with, the 2y plus 2 up top and the y plus 5 in the bottom, that's your final answer. Number 6, the top is a difference of 2 squares, y minus 4, y plus 4. Bottom, the factors of 16 add up to be 8 are 4 and 4. Now notice, top and the bottom both have a y plus 4. If we cross those out, we're left with y minus 4 up top and y plus 4 in the bottom. That's my answer. Number 7, the top has a GCF. We can factor that out. Bottom, we have factored so many times, it should just be right off the top of your head. Factors of 6 that add up to be 5 are -2 and -3. Now notice The top and the bottom has a x minus 2. So we can cross those out. What's left in the top is a 4. What's left in the bottom is an x minus 3. That's the final answer. Number 8. Number 8. I don't know what happened with the page. Let me change it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right. It didn't really do anything, did it? Hold on. All right. Okay, number 8. That's a mess. Don't worry about it. Number 8. I can't factor anything out of the top. Just rewrite it. The bottom, though, I'm looking for the factors of 84 that subtract to give me 5. All right, 12 times 7 is 84. So that means 12 minus 7 gives me the 5. Now, look at the top and look at the bottom. They both have an x plus 12. Cross those out. I'm left with x minus 7 in the bottom. In the top, we're left with a 1. That's the final answer. Factor, cross things out in the top that matches exactly with something in the bottom. That's what we're doing.